Screw press is a kind of equipment that uses physical extrusion to dehydrate. The equipment is composed of drive system, feed box, spiral auger, screen, pneumatic material blocking device, water collecting tank, frame and other parts. Materials enter the equipment from the feed box and are squeezed by progressive pressure under the transmission of the spiral auger. Excess water is discharged from the outlet through the screen, and the dewatered materials are continuously transported by the spiral auger. The top opening blocking device is discharged from the equipment through the discharge port. The screw press we produce has a wide range of applications and is suitable for the dehydration of tail vegetables, fruits and vegetables, wood residues, pulp, forage, straw residues, cordon, kitchen garbage and other logistics. We produce many types of screw presses, and we can choose the model size according to your processing capacity. Welcome customers with needs to come to consult.